Do you need to work out hours a day to just lose weight? Is it true that all you have to do is eat less and move more? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 most common weight loss misconceptions so that you know exactly what to do to reach your health and fitness goals. So stay tuned. Before we dive into this video, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J, and I'm an online coach, nationally certified personal trainer, and nutrition coach with over 10 years of experience working in the health and fitness industry. I've helped thousands of women change their lives through my weight loss challenges and programs, and in this video, I'm going to be debunking the 5 most common weight loss misconceptions so that you know exactly what to do to lose weight and keep it off for good. The first weight loss misconception is that you need to eat less and move more to lose weight, and that's that. Well, that is true, but to an extent, and only takes us to the surface level of what's really happening in weight loss and in our metabolism. So let's break it down a little bit. You do need to eat less and move more in order to have a caloric deficit. Weight loss is essentially burning more calories than you are consuming or taking in, and that can be burning the calories through your exercise routine or just eating less and then moving more, such as increasing your daily activities throughout the day or increasing the intensity in your workouts. So let's break down why this mathematical equation works, but why it only brings us to the surface level of weight loss. So 1 pound equals about 3,500 calories. So if we do want to lose, let's say 1 pound a week, we have to burn at least 3,500 calories within that week. So that's about a 500 calorie deficit every single day for 7 days, which equals 3,500 calories, and you'll see a 1 pound weight loss. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive in your approach and want to lose 2 pounds a week, you would ideally have to have a 7,000 calorie deficit throughout the week. Divide that by 7, that's about a 1,000 calorie deficit every single day to see 2 pounds drop on the scale. Now, like anyone knows in yo-yo dieting and crash dieting, the work that you did in the very beginning gave you initial weight loss, but then your weight loss plateaued, you're stalling out. What you're doing now is not working anymore. And we can thank our metabolism for that. What basically is happening is our metabolism wants to stabilize. It no longer wants to use the same type of energy that was required to help you live your life, a few weeks ago before you started your weight loss. And so now it's trying to conserve energy, so it's burning less. So the reason why calories in, calories out only gets us so far is because there are so many other factors that are involved in weight loss. It's not only just this mathematical equation of eating less and moving more. There's really so much involved, such as your genetics, your epigenetics, how your genes are expressed in your daily life, your hormones, your stress levels, your sleep quality, the overall well-being of your life has to be in play, and it's not just about this calories in, calories out idea. So we need to make sure that we are making sure that we're improving in all areas of our life, not just nutrition and not just this calories in, calories out idea. Misconception number 2 is that all calories are created equal. This is just not true. Now, a calorie is a measurement of energy, but not all calories have the same effects on our body. Let's take, for example, 100 calories of fruit versus 100 calories of Snickers. Now, just going back to misconception number 1, you do need to have a calorie deficit to lose weight. So let's say your total daily energy expenditure, so your baseline calories that help you maintain your weight is, let's say, 1,500 calories. Now, if you reduce your calories to 1,000 calories a day, so let's say you're eating 1,000 calories of fruit, that's not realistic, but for this example, let's do it. 1,000 calories of fruit per day versus 1,000 calories of Snickers, both lifestyle choices or both methods will work. Because you've reduced 500 calories, you will lose weight regardless if you're eating 1,000 calories of fruit or 1,000 calories of Snickers. But those calories are not equal. The calories that you consume from fruit are gonna be far more beneficial to your body and overall health versus the calories that you're gonna consume from Snickers. you have to consider the quality of the calories you're consuming. So fruit is gonna give you not only, the calories you need, the energy that you need to survive, but it's going to give you the quality nutrients, the fiber, the antioxidants, and the health benefits to help you thrive. Versus the 1,000 calories of Snickers, it's filled with processed food, fillers, artificial ingredients, lots of sugar. It's gonna spike up your blood sugar, leaving you with a sugar crash. You're not gonna feel satisfied, you're not gonna feel full, and it's probably gonna lead to weight gain and crash dieting, and that's just not fun. So if you're gonna choose to be on a calorie deficit, make sure that those calories are quality calories, that they're coming from real food and not coming from junk food, or at least trying to reduce the amount of junk food or processed food so that you can prioritize the quality calories that are going to help you thrive, not just survive, but give you really good health benefits in the long run. Misconception number 3 is that diet foods can help you lose weight. Now, when I talk about diet foods, I'm talking about foods that have been stuffed in plastic and wrapped up in a package or a box, and on the box it's labeled as low fat, low calorie, low sugar, no sugar, non-GMO, organic, good for you, heart healthy, blah, 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 blah. These are all different ways that marketing companies try to entice their customers, try to entice consumers to buy their product thinking that they're going to get health benefits from using their product because it's marketed as healthy. Now, we just want to be wary of that, and we want to be smart consumers as much as possible. So the best way that I can advise you on when you're buying food, I guess I would call it convenient food, is to make sure to look at the ingredient label and make sure that you can actually pronounce and understand everything that's on that ingredient label. It's not just the calories, so let's not just look at how many calories you're eating per serving, but we should also consider the sugar intake that you're getting from it and the ingredients on the label. If there are 30 plus ingredients that are in a single Coke or soda or cracker or chip, we should probably be wary of that. So we want to try to go as natural as possible. I do understand that we do need a little bit of convenience in our lives, and we're not always at a kitchen, we're not always at a fridge, we need something quick. So be a smart consumer, take a look at the ingredients and try to choose something that has little to no processing, or something that has a little bit more less ingredients in there, and making sure that we can understand each and every word on that ingredient label to know that we're making a better choice. Now, I'm curious, are there any foods that you eat in your daily life where you're just not sure, is this healthy, is it not? You might have a favorite granola or bread or cracker or protein bar that you always eat, but you're just not sure? Well, comment below and let me know what you might be confused about. I would love to advise you and maybe give you some feedback on how you can make better choices in your life. Misconception number 4 is that you need a crazy workout routine in order to lose weight. Now, this is just not true. I believe that your results are 80% nutrition and 20% fitness. Now, I've had a personal recent physical transformation during quarantine. I have lost 10 plus pounds in just 2 months, and I changed nothing about my workout routine and everything to do with what I was eating every single day. In fact, my fitness routine became, it went from high intensity interval training many times throughout the week to more of low impact, longer endurance activities such as running or walking in the neighborhood. And I just focused solely on changing my diet and prioritizing real whole foods. And I saw that scale drop like that. So I know firsthand that it really has to do with what you're eating. Abs are made in the kitchen. It is truly about what you're eating. So making sure that you're eating whole foods, and that obviously that you're still working out and making sure that you make time for that, but also being able to move throughout the day and increasing your NEAT. That is your non-exercise activity thermogenesis. That is the fidgeting, the walking, the moving, the chores, the cleaning, the walking the dog. These are the activities that you're doing throughout the day that are not intended for deliberate exercise. If you can increase your NEAT throughout the day and try to minimize the amount of time that you're sitting or staying sedentary, that will help give you a little boost in your metabolism to keep you on track with your fitness goals. Last but not least, misconception number 5 is that eating breakfast is the healthiest meal of the day and kickstarts your metabolism to help you lose weight. Now, this is just not true. There are many studies that show that delaying your eating window, or extending your eating window rather, will help you to actually burn more fat on the body. Because you delay your breakfast to maybe an hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours after you wake up, it has to use the energy that's already in your body, also known as fat, as energy rather than the food that you had consumed. So let's say the last meal that you had the night before was at 7 p.m. and you wake up at 6 a.m. If you had your breakfast at 7 a.m. the next day, you essentially had a 12-hour fast. So your last meal was 7 p.m. and then your first meal the next day is 7 a.m. So consider slowly incrementing a delayed eating window. So you can keep eating your last dinner, your last meal at 7 p.m., but instead of immediately waking up and having your first meal at 7 a.m. the next day, extend it to maybe 8 a.m. So you're increasing your fasting window. And this will help you not only to use stored up energy, aka fat in the body, but there are many studies that show that this helps with mental clarity, mental focus, and also helps you to improve aging and the creation of new cells, also known as autophagy. It will produce this anti-aging effect and help you live longer. So why not try that? But anyways, that is what I have for you. The 5 biggest weight loss misconceptions that hopefully gave you a little bit more clarity, a little bit more insight on what you can do and what you need to know in order to lose weight the right way. Well, listen, if you're looking to lose weight but are frustrated with your crash diets, you don't know where to start, you lack motivation, but you want to change your life, I am super excited to be opening up spots for my upcoming fall weight loss program this September. I'm looking for women who want to lose 10 to 20 pounds, who want to change their life, but need structure, need accountability, need a plan, and need motivation to get on track with their health and fitness goals. So if you are ready to shed your quarantine weight gain, check out the survey below in the description and fill it out. I am giving away 3 free spots for my upcoming weight loss program, and I'll also send you more information on how you can join. So I hope to see you there. If you like this video, make sure to like and comment below and let me know what your key takeaways are. And if you want more nutrition tips from me, check out these videos here. As always, I'm here every single week giving you a new workout video and diet tip. So I'll see you on the next video.